Online admissions tutorial. Welcome to our online admissions. At Amaranto School, we have a digital platform for applicants to take the admission evaluation remotely. To enter the online admissions evaluation, you must open the browser that you regularly use. It's easy to access Microsoft Teams. Go to the website office.com and log in using the applicant's email and password that were mailed to parents. Enter the applicant's school email. Enter the password. The first letter of the password is uppercase. Please do not change the password. Great! You have accessed the online admissions evaluation. On your first access to the platform, you'll be able to see support information for using Microsoft Teams. You'll also find a variety of icons for online work such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Locate and enter the Teams icon in the center of your screen. You can also find it by looking at the top left. Know your virtual classroom. On the left, you can see the main tabs bar with several icons: Activity, Chat, Teams, Assignments, Calendar, Apps, Help, and an icon to get the Microsoft Teams app to desktop. It is not necessary to download the app to your desktop, as you can work daily and enter the virtual room from your browser as many times as necessary. Your name can be found on the left, followed by Online Evaluation. At the top of the General section, you will find the tabs for Conversations, Files, Class Notebook, Assignments, and more. In the upper right corner, you will see the photo of the applicant who has logged in. Learn how to navigate the platform. Microsoft Teams has very useful tools, of which we will use the most basic ones to make the evaluations easy and accurate. From the main tabs bar, we will use the icons of Activity, Chat, Teams, and Assignments. Activity icon. When a director uploads an evaluation, applicants receive a notification on the activity icon. These notifications will inform them that there is an evaluation to complete. Chat icon. The Spanish academic director and the Director of Education will contact you via private message for an initial interview. The evaluation instructions will be explained during this interview. The applicant may use the chat to ask questions regarding the evaluation. Team icon. Your name can be found on the left, followed by Online Evaluation. The Conversation tab includes all the information that the applicant will need. Scroll up and down to see the welcome message, access the evaluation icons displayed as a purple backpack. Check the schedule for each evaluation and click on the link to access the Online Evaluations YouTube tutorial. You will be able to both ask questions and provide answers, as well as keep track of pending evaluations, all in one place. To respond to written messages from a director, add the @ symbol before you type the name. Under Conversations tab, you will be able to upload the mathematical methods and formulas used during the online evaluation. Please be mindful and respectful at all times. Files tab. Here you will find the guidelines for online evaluations. Please read them carefully before you begin, in order to ensure that you have all information necessary for the evaluation. The Assignments tab is another way to access the online evaluations. The applicant will be able to see the subject that will be evaluated, the dates assigned to each evaluation, as well as the time and due date for each one. Click on the assignment icon to open the file. Then select Edit Document from the browser to take the online evaluation. Follow the instructions. Click Close when you are done and make sure to click Hand In so that the evaluation can be graded. There is more than one way to access the evaluations. One way is through the Assignments icon, displayed as a purple backpack under the General tab. Another way is clicking the notification found in the Activities section. And the last way is through the Assignments tab found at the top of the toolbar. Steps for taking the evaluation. Step 1. Watch the tutorial video for online evaluations. Step 2. Read the guidelines found under the Files tab. Step 3. Check the evaluation's schedule. Step 4. Click on the chat icon 5 minutes prior to the scheduled evaluation time and wait for an Amaranto School director to get in touch with you. Step 5. After the initial interview, click on the Teams icon and look for the corresponding evaluation icon, whether it be Spanish, English, or Math. General interviews will be conducted via Zoom app. Please check your email for the access link and guidelines. Our directors have access to all applicants' accounts to provide academic and technical support. Any questions or suggestions, feel free to send an email to contacto@amaranto.edu.mx. At Amaranto School, we appreciate your trust to allow us to be part of the integral education of your children. Together for our children, Amaranto School.